Hello viewers. Once again, welcome to our How to Video series. In this video episode, I will be showing you how to use the image library to publish creatives using Socioboard. But before that, please make sure to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and hit the bell icon to get all notifications of our new video updates. Now coming to the Socioboard dashboard page, here we have the image library option. Under the image library, there you can see three sections: public, private, and gallery. Here we have selected the public option. As you can see on the screen, we can upload new images and even remove them. To upload new images, on the right side, we have the Upload Image button. Select that, and a pop-up will open. Here we add the image name. Click on the Upload button. Now select the images from your device. Click on Open and upload it. Similarly, under the Private section of the image library, we can upload and store image creatives, as I am showing you on the screen. Third, we have the Gallery option. Here you can see a few images in the gallery. With a single click, you can share these images on social media platforms. Using the Re-Socio feature, here we can select the social accounts to share images. That's all we have in this video. If you like this video, then please click on the thumbs up button, share this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit on the bell icon to get notifications of our new videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.